Hey, stay with us because Josh has some incredible video to show us from last night.
Yes, the skies opened up, especially out towards the Columbia River Gorge and the Dalles. Yeah, not a sight we always get to capture on camera, but a KOIN 6 viewer did just that. There you go. Lighting up the nighttime sky. This was right around 10:30 or so when a meteor raced overhead, primarily out towards the southern skyline. And that could potentially be a case that we see over the next several nights. Of course, a bit of a rarity to actually be able to see one that bright. But we got to thank Jacqueline Tharp for sending in that incredible video. All potentially part of the Orion meteor shower. That's why we could see about 10 meteors per hour, and it started to peak really yesterday, taking us all the way through the 23rd. So again, look to the southern horizon and directly up, especially tonight as we hold on to those clear skies and our temperatures starting to slide back into the low 50s. That's going to be the prime time because then we really start to cloud up our conditions with a beautiful sunset currently in the works anywhere from the coastline to the high terrain of the Cascades as the sun is just now dipping below the horizon on this Tuesday evening. Temperatures starting to slide backwards as well, courtesy of that sunset, low 60s and low 50s found along the shoreline after our daytime highs managed to get back up into the low to mid 60s. Anywhere from the coast to the high terrain of the Cascades, with Florence warming up to about 70 degrees. But the marine layer quickly racing its way back along the Oregon coast as this ridge of high pressure keeps us on the dry side tonight with those clear skies. But you'll notice Wednesday we get clipped with that brief short wave, a little kink in our jet stream, and that's going to help to not only increase our cloud coverage but also bring back the chance for some wet weather as the stronger trough of cooler and rainier weather moves its way back into the Pacific Northwest, all kind of taking shape with an atmospheric river. It's that tongue of moisture stretching from the state of Hawaii into the Pacific Northwest. That's going to be our big rainmaker and also our wind maker. But from Friday all the way to Monday, some of our area rain gauges could fill up to more than 2 inches. That will really help to shrink our rain deficit that still holds firm at nearly a ½ inch. But watch these winds. They are definitely going to be on the strong side, especially moving our way into Friday. But look at Saturday afternoon out of the south, nearing almost 30 to 40, if not even 45 miles per hour for some of us. So keep that in mind, especially if you've got trash day or maybe some of the Halloween decorations out before we expect to see those winds taper back by the end of the day on Saturday. You can see our futurecast clouding up those skies for the start of the day before that wet weather starts to push its way back into parts of the I-5 corridor. Just a light sprinkle for us by the time Wednesday night into Thursday morning rolls around. Then mostly cloudy skies as our rain gauges stay relatively dry, at least for the next 48 hours. Of course, the big rainmaker gets underway on Friday. Tonight, we start to clear up those skies after midnight. Patchy fog for some of us as those temperatures fall back into the upper 40s. Tomorrow, rebounding into the mid to upper 60s as we keep those mostly cloudy conditions. The stormy weather, that arrives Friday into Saturday. Again, some of those wind gusts nearing almost 40 to 45 miles per hour. And look at what it does to our temperatures. Makes us fall back into the mid 50s. And for this time of year, well, that's actually a little bit cooler than what is average. 58 is that new normal come Halloween, which is just about 10 days away now.
Okay, we were talking earlier what a great fall this has been so far. A little bit of rain, a little sun, but
yes,
now it looks like we're going to get a little bit more than a little bit of rain.
Kind of a stormy end to the month, it appears.
Okay,
yeah.
I think it's a Costco-size order of rain coming.
That's it.
We'll be right back.